Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and you're getting an E08 error and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So the E08 error happens when the machine thinks that the drum is spinning either the wrong speed, so either too fast or too slow. And like all of these errors that are in this that are like this, the error could be with something actually making everything spin too fast or too slow, or it could be a sensor that's sensing something's wrong because there's a malfunction in the sensor. So unfortunately, this is not one of the easier things to fix. It's almost certainly, if you get this error, you're almost certainly going to have to call for service on it. The one thing I would do is just try varying the spin speeds and see if there are, kind of as a workaround, while you're waiting to get it fixed, is just try running cycles with different spin speeds and see if you can't find a cycle that'll work for you while you're waiting to get it fixed. But anyways, hope this video helped you, figure out what's going on and maybe find a workaround while it's getting fixed. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.